In this clip, we're going to install the faucet onto the sink basin.
Before installing the faucet, we put a bead of caulk down first. Installed the bottom washer of the faucet. Put the faucet on. I'm going to spin it around. Alright.
How tight do you want to make those connections?
Finger tight is good. What is nice is to snug them up, wait a little for the silicone to seat, and then go back and give them another turn.
You want to turn the sink around and just make sure that it's symmetrical and centered. And when you check that it is, then just turn it back around and give it one last tighten.